Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. This is essential when you need to record a payment received at the time of sale, whether it's from a customer paying cash, check, or card for products or services you've provided. Let's start by heading over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click on it to open up a menu of transaction options. This is your central hub for creating all types of sales and expense transactions in QuickBooks. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Sales Receipt under the Customers section. This opens a new form specifically designed for recording immediate payments. Now, you'll need to select your customer, click on the Customer dropdown, and choose the name of the customer who made the purchase. If this is a new customer who isn't yet in your system, simply click plus Add New to register them before proceeding. Next, confirm the sales receipt date. QuickBooks will typically autofill today's date, but you can change this if the transaction occurred on a different day. Getting this date right is important for accurate financial records and reporting. Right below that, you'll see the payment method dropdown. Click on it and select how the customer paid, whether that's cash, check, credit card, or another method. This helps you track payment types across your business. If your customer paid by check, you'll want to enter the check number in the reference No field. This is optional but useful for record keeping and reconciliation purposes. Then look for the deposit to drop down. Here you'll select where you want this payment to go. Many businesses choose undeposited funds if they plan to batch multiple payments together before making a bank deposit later. Now it's time to add what was actually sold. Under Product Service, click to select the item or service your customer purchased, enter the quantity, and confirm the rate if needed. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total. If multiple items or services were sold in this transaction, simply repeat this process for each one, adding rows as you go. If you'd like to include a personal note or thank you message, use the message displayed on sales receipt field to add it. This will appear on the customer's copy of the receipt. Finally, once everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the sales receipt. Your transaction is now captured in QuickBooks and your records are up to date. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.